guys, today we're going to be learning how to draw a Ninja Turtle. But did you know that the Ninja Turtles were actually named after famous artists? So in the 1980s, Kevin Eastman and Peter Laird created the Ninja Turtles and named them based off of Italian Renaissance masters. These artists lived in the 14 and 1500s in Italy. Now, they weren't actually ninjas, but let's learn a little bit about who they actually were. First up, Leo or Leonardo. So this Ninja Turtle was named after Leonardo da Vinci, the famous painter who created the Mona Lisa. He's also known for paintings like The Last Supper and The Annunciation, and he was considered a genius. He was a polymath, which means that he was great at many things, including science and math. Next up, Donnie or Donatello. He was named after Donato di Niccolo di Bettobardi, which was actually a sculptor, which means that he made statues with bronze and marble. Next, Raph or Raphael. Raphael Sanzio was a painter who's known for this large mural in the Vatican called School of Athens and the Sistine Madonna. See those two little angels at the bottom? They're pretty famous as well. And finally, we have Mikey or Michelangelo. Michelangelo Buonarroti was a painter and sculptor, which means he did famous paintings such as the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, which took him 4 years to paint, and he took marble and made sculptures such as the Statue of David and the Pietà. Now, let's learn how to draw your favorite Ninja Turtle. To start off, we'll draw the top of the nose with a big curved arch. On top of that, we'll add 2 oval shapes for the eyes. And inside each oval shape, we'll add another oval. Then we'll add a small circle inside each one for the highlight. Next, for the bandana, I'm going to add a small hooked curve on each side of the nose and 2 curves above the eyes. To connect the bandana, I'm going to draw a straight line between the eyes, and then from that hooked curve here, I'm going to curve up, making it even on both sides. And then I'll connect between that eye and the other part of the bandana with 2 diagonal lines, and then bring it down and connect on both sides. Next, I'll add a small curve on the side, and this will be for the knot at the end. For the top of the head, we'll bring a big arched line that brings that together. And for the sides of the mouth, we're going to curve out and down on both sides. For the bottom of the nose, or for the mouth, we're going to curve down from cheek to cheek with a large curved line. Remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay to erase and go back. Next, for the mouth line, I'll add 2 short diagonal lines and then connect them with a long curved line. For the chin, I added a small curve underneath. And for the bandana, I'll go in with a curved line that goes out, another line that connects back to that point, and a small curve inside. I'm going to add 1 more line that curves down next to the cheek and connect back up. I'll add 1 small curve for a ripple. Now, going down about the width of the eyes, I'm going to add 2 short lines for the neck. So these 2 angled lines are for the neck. And then we will curve out and down for the shoulders. And to make his shoulders look muscular, we'll add another bump and then go down to the bottom of the page on both sides. And for the chest, we'll make a curve that goes down, up, and back down to the bottom of the page. If you still have room on your paper, you can add one more line that follows that. Again, down to the bottom of the page. And for our final step, we will add that turtle shell that goes behind his shoulders. So from about the smile line, we're going to curve out and down on both sides. Next, I'm going to outline with Sharpie and then color. Most of the Ninja Turtle will be colored green, but again, you get to choose the color of the bandana. So who will your Ninja Turtle be? Leo, Mikey, Raph, or Donnie? Your choice. And now we have completed our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.